Arabic Vietnam and diploma student. May I ask you one question? Should you know what kind of necessary for a Buddhist missionary?
Thank you, Vietnamese lady. Be patient.
Yes.
First, be patient, forgiveness, okay? Please use it with metta. It is very important, right?
Yes.
Humanity as well. Great diligence. Great diligence. Missionary work everywhere, you may see the problem. Modern time is a little bit easy when we in Europe or America, many Vietnamese are there. For that, you can establish and manage your community. But the missionary in outside country, man stranger, right? At that time, first, I already told you, be patient,
Yes.
forgiveness,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Love.